Thank you, Justin. The North Carolina guardian-ad-litem program has been around in our state for more than 3 decades. And joining me this morning is Judge Fred Gore and guardian-ad-litem Administrator Iris-Derrick. And we're so glad to have both of you with us this morning. Iris, I want to begin with you first. What exactly is guardian-ad-litem?
Well, guardian-ad-litem is a program of advocacy for children. We use community citizens as volunteers in our program to represent abused and neglected children in the court system.
And understand right now in our region, the Cape Fear region, there are 51 children who need an ad-litem guardian volunteer, right?
That is true. We have 51 children who are waiting for a child advocate to be that voice in court. We currently represent in the New Hanover-Pender area about 486 children. In the 3-county judicial district that Judge Gore is in, we represent about 286. So in that 5-county region, we still have 51 children who need that voice in court.
Judge Gore, how important is this program to the children in this area?
It's essential. I cannot imagine a judge in North Carolina doing my court of abuse, neglect, and dependency court without a guardian-ad-litem being a part of the system.
So these volunteers work on behalf of the children who are abused and neglected, yes. And they are the ones who are doing the research and then going back to you to say, hey, this is what I think is in the best interest of this child.
Yes, once they're appointed, they go through an immense training, and once they're appointed to a case, they go to visitations, they go to children's schools, they attend doctor's appointments, and they independently, along with the guardian-ad-litem attorney, draft reports, and whenever they come to testify, I get all that information, and it's a fair and objective viewpoint for the child.
And earlier I'd asked you before the segment, who exactly can become one of these volunteers? Is this something that usually retirees do, or can other folks who are in college do it?
Absolutely. We invite all community citizens to inquire about our program. We have retirees, we have many working people. We have people in our program that work shift work, that do this work. So it cuts across all walks of life, and young people, older people.
And judges, I think you said a UNCW student was actually one of the
Yes, I actually have a senior that's at UNCW finishing up his coursework there who is a guardian in my courtroom in Brunswick County. So we welcome anyone because it's really instrumental to the children having someone to advocate on their behalf.
Okay, so if you want to become a volunteer with the guardian-ad-litem program, how do you get involved? Do you contact your local courthouse? Or?
Probably the best way is to go to our website, which is www.volunteerforgal.org. And there's a listing of all the programs in the state, and there's contact information, and we'll invite you to fill out an application.
And this is a statewide program?
It is a statewide program. It's in all 40 judicial districts. We serve children in all 100 counties.
All right. Well, Judge Gore, we're very grateful for your time this morning. Iris-Derrick, very grateful to have you as well. And thanks for sharing a little bit about this very worthwhile program.
Glad to be here.
We appreciate it. If you have a community event or nonprofit you want to share with our viewers, we want to know about it. Email newsroom@wwytv3.com to get more information on scheduling an interview for Good Morning Carolina. Don't go away. We'll be right back.